Well, you know, this is the time of year, there's a lot of focus on cancer awareness, but what many people don't know is that skin problems are often associated with the disease. So how do you fix that? I want you to meet Holly Schnetzer. She is with BREVENA, and to tell us how their skincare products actually help, and the story behind it is amazing. And first of all, it's good to have you here.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
And you know, we're all big fans of the product, by the way. So let's talk about first how it was created, the founder behind this amazing product.
Yes, so it started actually 20 years ago. We were actually in burn centers nationwide, and we worked really hard to discover kind of how skin works, how it heals, how to keep skin healthy. And through that, we actually created macrobead complex technology. And that's we use to help patients get back on their feet and back to their lives, you know, quickly as we can. And actually what was interesting enough is that our doctors actually started using it on their own skin to combat, you know, that hospital environment, you know, frequent hand washing, mask wearing, all that horrible stuff that they're doing every day. And from that demand, we actually decided to go ahead and create that same technology into a consumer product that's just top of the line moisturizer for everyday skin use for people like you and me. And so that's really good to help, you know, combat everybody's skin. But then you can imagine how it's going to especially help people that are going through things like chemo and radiation.
Yeah, that, I mean, just think of, or you know what it does to the inside of your body, and it has to show up on the outside of your body. How does it help treat the skin? And what are some of the symptoms that cancer, people who have cancer are experiencing from their treatments that this product helps?
Yes, I mean, sadly enough, I think we all have somebody in our lives that has been going through and battling cancer. And these chemo and the radiation specifically will really dry out their skin. So they can have redness, they will have itchiness, sensitivity, you can even have burns and even blisters, which makes your skin just very painful and very sensitive to the touch. I actually had some really good friends that have gone through this, and they said that their skin was so raw and so itchy and sensitive to the touch that they didn't even feel comfortable in their skin.
Well, your founder actually went through cancer herself, and this has helped her, and not just the fact that she's got a medical background, but the fact that then she's experienced this disease and it helped her.
Exactly.
She's sharing that with us. Now, this is part of a system. I mean, you really are encouraging people to use the entire system.
Yes. So Barbara Klein, our founder and owner of the company, is this wonderful woman, and she was diagnosed with non-smoker's lung cancer 2 years ago. And she actually has not only been battling this cancer, but also has been still proceeding to expand our company. But as she was going through it, she was experiencing herself, like the effects it had on her skin. And she talked to other patients and what they were experiencing. So, and we know that skin is 64% water and also needs water to heal itself. So she focused on our most hydrating products, and that's our Restore and Hydrate Overnight Cream and our Restorative Skin Balm here. And so with this, you know, what we're doing is we're really trying to help lock in that moisture, protect the skin, and help protect it against those harsh treatments that you're doing.
Well, and I want to share an experience, and this is a testimonial. We always appreciate testimonials here, and this comes from a cancer patient, and she wrote this. She says, "I've been battling dry skin ever since I underwent chemotherapy and radiation treatments. Your creams are so hydrating. I finally feel like my skin is nourished," and that comes from Deb. And that is really, it sounds like a small task, but it's monumental for someone who's already not feeling well.
Exactly. I mean, they already have such a huge battle that they have to face. You know, we just feel very lucky that we're able to help them in even the smallest way of just helping them feel normal in their own skin again.
Yeah, literally.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Holly. Really good information. And if you want to experience soft, smooth skin for yourself, and you know what, you do not have to be going through cancer treatments in order to do that. I just want to point that out. BREVENA has a special offer for our Sonoran Living viewers. Use promo code Sonoran at checkout for 25% off and free shipping on top of it. The website is brevena.com, or here's the number that you can call. It's 800-260-8031.